perfect for you and your family. A beautiful entry welcomes you to this home. And transport, shops and schools are all close by. The property is single-level style with 3 bedrooms. And it features dedicated parking for 3 vehicles. The kitchen is centrally located for full family interaction. This home gives loads of natural light. And it also has split-system air conditioning. This property has timber flooring, as well as an undercover patio area. Add to that a workshop with ample storage. Looking for a place to call home? Perfect for a young family. Would you like immediate download of more properties? Just call